Good morning, dear readers. Happy to be with you. But I was wondering, we're only 23 reading this book. For me, that's enough. But maybe it's too difficult. It's true. It's one of the most difficult, or not only difficult, but one of the best books of of French literature, sorry. So we're going to continue to try. And if it doesn't work, we take a more easy book. But so remember, this girl who was in the street and was bothered by a man who threw snow in her dress. And so what was her reaction? Elle se rua sur l'homme. So she jumped on the man, lui enfonçant ses ongles dans le visage. And enfoncer means to dig in very deep. Huh? Her nails, so she pushed. This is enfonçant. She pushed her nails in his face to him. And this I have to tell you, I have to explain a little bit, because in French, you will not say in his face. You see, there is le. Le doesn't mean his. You don't say in his face. You say to him in the face. That's very, very normal in French. I think we probably have some more examples later. So she pushed her nails into his face with the most effroyable, the most appalling words, qui puissent tomber du corps de garde dans le ruisseau. So the most horrible words that can or could fall from un corps de garde. It's like could be a policeman or a soldier maybe, into the gutter. So this is really the worst words one could say. Ces injures, vomies d'une voix enrouée par l'eau de vie, sortaient hideusement d'une bouche à laquelle manquaient en effet les deux dents de devant. So those, and injure is not injuries, is those insults vomited by a voice enroué, what shall I say, hoarse, a hoarse voice, hoarse because of alcohol, eau de vie. It's also called aquavit. It's a very strong alcohol, brandy, we could say. So those words or those insults came out hideously, hideously, from a mouth to which manquait, were lacking, indeed, the two teeth in the front. So yes, but we understood that already. But so c'était la Fantine. It was Fantine. It was this miserable girl who had already sold her hair, sold her teeth. Au bruit que cela fit, les officiers sortirent en foule du café. With the noise that made, the officers came out in crowds from the café. Les passants s'amassèrent. So, les passants, the passers-by, s'amasser, I think they were like gathering. S'amasser means like in a mass. What could you say? Like a mass together. So they gathered. Et il se forma un grand cercle riant. And there was made a big laughing circle. Riant comes from rire, laugh. Huant et applaudissant. Huant means like booing, boo, and applauding. Autour de ce tourbillon composé de deux êtres. So around this tourbillon, it's like a whirlwind or a swirl composed of two human beings, où l'on avait peine à reconnaître un homme et une femme. So in this whirlwind, where one had difficulty to recognize a man and a woman, l'homme se débattant. So the man was like se débattre, it's like struggling to get free, hein? He was trying to get free. Son chapeau à terre, his head on the ground. La femme frappant des pieds et des poings. So the woman hitting with des pieds, feet and fists. Décoiffé. Coiffé means when your hair is well done, and so décoiffé is when your hair is messy, or well, it really means like undone. But I would rather say like messy. Her hair was messy. Hurlant, screaming, sans dents et sans cheveux, without teeth and without hair, livide de colère, horrible. So livid with anger, horrible. So those two, Fantine and this man who put the snow into her dress, they are fighting together. And people are standing around it and I think love it. Tout à coup, un homme de haute taille sortit vivement de la foule. So all at once, a man of high stature, so a tall man, came out vivement, like swiftly or quickly, from the crowd. Foule is also crowd. Masse is also crowd. Saisit la femme à son corsage de satin couvert de boue. So saisir means to snatch or to take quickly, took the woman by her, you could say corsage, but it's like a blouse of satin covered with boue, with mud, et lui dit, and said to her, suis-moi, follow me. Yes, the word suis. It can come from the verb to be, I am, but it can also come from the verb suivre, follow me. La femme leva la tête. So the woman lifted her head. Sa voix furieuse s'éteignit subitement. So her voice, her furious voice, s'éteignit, it comes from the verb s'éteindre, means to turn off. Turned off or maybe died out, subitement, immediately. Ses yeux étaient vitreux. Her eyes were vitreous, you could say, or glassy. De livide, elle était devenue pâle. From livid from anger, she had become pale. Et elle tremblait d'un tremblement de terreur. And she trembled with a, trembling or shivering of terror. Elle avait reconnu Javert. She had recognized Javert. And everybody knows this policeman, he's really cruel. He's not a nice guy. L'élégant avait profité de l'incident pour s'esquiver. L'élégant, well, the elegant man who was not so elegant, and so that's the one who put the snow into her blouse, had profité, taken advantage of the incident to s'esquiver is to slip away. People are making noises, people are making a lot of noise, and Javert is coming there, and then Fantine stops talking and he slips away. A coward. A little bit of coffee, just a second. We need coffee in the morning. So, Javert écarta les assistants. Javert écarta, pushed away the assistants, so the people who were looking, rompit le cercle. He broke the circle of people, et se mit à marcher à grands pas vers le bureau de police. And se mit à, he started to walk with big steps towards the bureau de police, is the police station, qui est à l'extrémité de la place, which is at the extremity and the total end of the square. Watch out, une place is a square, like a market square in French. Traînant après lui, la misérable. Like pulling behind him, like dragging the miserable girl. Elle se laissait faire machinalement. Elle se laisser faire means that you do not resist. She let herself do. But I think in English you would say she didn't resist. She let herself be dragged around. Machinalement, just like automatically, she did not resist. She was really scared of this man. Ni lui ni elle ne disaient un mot. So nor he, the policeman, Javert, nor the girl, didn't say a word, so they did not speak. La nuée des spectateurs, au paroxysme de la joie, suivait avec des quolibets. So the cloud, let's say, the cloud of spectators, of people who are looking, at the peak or the top of their joy, because they love it, followed with, shall we say, how shall so colibet, I think I would translate it by cheers. They were jeering, jeers, like followed with jeers, like calling, yeah. La suprême misère, occasion d'obscénité. So the supreme misery is occasion, maybe not occasion in English, but opportunity of obscenities. So they were screaming all kind of obscene things. Okay, I hope you're still there with me. Almost finished the first page. Arrivé au bureau de police, qui était une salle basse chauffée par un poêle et gardée par un poste, avec une porte vitrée et grillée sur la rue. Let's already take this. So, arrived at the police station, which was a low bassin, it's a low room, heated by a stove and guarded by a poste is like a guardian, a policeman, with a porte vitrée, a glass door. Vitré means it's all of glass, a glass door, and well, grillé, it's probably like an iron gate, like a fence, to protect so that people cannot escape, and like, fenced, let's say, with a fence to the street, sur la rue. It's a bit, like the prison windows, with like the iron gate in front of it. Javert ouvrit la porte. Javert opened the door, entra avec Fantine, entered with Fantine, et referma la porte derrière lui, and closed again the door behind him, au grand désappointement des curieux, to the big disappointment of the curious people, les curieux are the curious people, qui se haussèrent sur la pointe du pied. Like they raised, se haussèrent, they raised on, and sur la pointe de pied, it's on the point of their feet, but I think we would say, so they were standing on tippy-toe, et allongèrent le cou, made their necks longer, they're really trying to see what's happening, devant la, in front of the, and we're going to the next page, I think it's page 71, yes, here we are, devant la, yes, in front of, devant la vitre trouble du corps de garde, cherchant à voir. So, in front of the, let's say, blurred window of the guardian, so of the police station, of the guard, cherchant, searching, but I think in English we would say like trying to see. So you see, they were all trying to see what's happening in there. La curiosité est une gourmandise. So curiosity is greed, is greedy, une gourmandise. Voir, c'est dévorer. To see is to devour. So like They're devouring Fantine with their eyes. En entrant, la Fantine allait tomber dans un coin. So when she was entering, Fantine went to fall in a corner. So she fell down in a corner. Immobile et muette. So immobile means not moving and not speaking. Muette means like not speaking. Mute. Accroupie comme une chienne qui a peur. Like accroupie is crouched, yeah. I think she's on her knees, like a female dog, une chienne, female dog who is scared. But watch out, in French it's who has fear. OK? Le sergent du poste apporta une chandelle allumée sur une table. So the sergeant of the guard, of the post, of the police station, brought a allumé lit candle on a table. Javert s'assit. Javert sat down, tira de sa poche une feuille de papier timbré. So he pulled from his pocket a sheet of paper timbré, I think it's like with a stamp, stamped, et se mit à écrire and started to write. Yes, se mettre à, we have had that before. It means to start. It's the same as commencer. Quand il eut fini, il signa. When he had finished, he signed. He signed the paper. Plia le papier, folded the paper, et dit au sergent du poste, en lui remettant, and he said to the sergeant of the guard, of the police station, en le lui remettant, while giving it to him, so he was giving the folded paper to him, prenez 3 hommes, take 3 men, et menez cette fille au bloc. And take this girl to the block. I think it's the prison. Puis, se tournant vers la Fantine, then turning around towards Fantine, tu en as pour 6 mois. So you have for 6 months, meaning you are going to prison for 6 months. La malheureuse tressaillit. So the miserable girl trembled, shuddered. 6 mois, 6 months, 6 mois de prison, 6 months of prison, 6 mois à gagner 7 sous par jour. So 6 months to earn 7, coins per day. Mais que deviendra Cosette? But what will become Cosette? Remember her little girl who's with the innkeepers? Ma fille, my daughter, ma fille, my daughter. Mais je dois encore plus de 100 francs au Thénardier. So, but I owe encore, still, more than 100 francs, yes, at that time it was French francs, to the Thénardier, the innkeepers. Monsieur l'inspecteur, savez-vous cela? So, Mr. Inspector, sir, policeman, inspector, do you know that? Elle se traîna sur la dalle mouillée par les bottes boueuses de tous ces hommes. So, elle se traîna, like she dragged herself, she dragged herself, she shuffled maybe, on the wet stone. Dalle, it's a stone, marble stone. So, wet by the boots, by the muddy boots of all those men, sans se lever, without standing up, joignant les mains, putting your hands together, faisant de grands pas avec ses genoux. So making big steps with her knees. So she was on her knees, praying, please, 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 and like going forward on her knees. Monsieur Javert, dit-elle, Mr. Javert, she said, je vous demande grâce. I ask you grace. Please, 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 please. Je vous assure que je n'ai pas eu tort. I assure you that I have not been in the wrong. Hein? Avoir tort is to be in the wrong. She says, I've not been in the wrong. No, it was the man who put the snow in her dress, and then she started to defend herself. Si vous aviez vu le commencement, vous auriez vu. If you had seen the beginning, you would have seen. Je vous jure le bon Dieu que je n'ai pas eu tort. I swear on the good God that I've not been in the wrong. C'est ce monsieur le bourgeois que je ne connais pas qui m'a mis de la neige dans le dos. It's that gentleman, le bourgeois, hein, like bourgeois, it's like a middle class man that I do not know, who has put to me, do you see it again? So, who has put to me snow in the back? So, in French, you will not say in my back, sorry, not bag, but back, in my back. But we say to me, this is the me, to me in the back. Okay? This is an important construction in French. Est-ce qu'on a le droit de nous mettre de la neige dans le dos quand nous passons comme ça, tranquillement, sans faire de mal à personne? So, does one have the right to put to us, again, same construction, to put to us, snow in the back, when we pass, comme ça, comme cela, like that, tranquillement, quietly, without doing wrong to anybody? Cela m'a saisi, like it seized me, it grasped me. I was surprised to get the snow in my dress. Je suis un peu malade, voyez-vous. I'm a little bit sick, you see. Et puis, il y avait déjà un peu de temps qu'il me disait des raisons. And then, it was already a little time, it was already for some time, that he said to me des raisons. He said to me des raisons, it's like sentences, words. He was talking to me. And what did he say? Tu es laide, you're ugly. Tu n'as pas de dents, you don't have teeth. Je le sais bien que je n'ai plus de dents, que je n'ai plus mes dents. I know very well that I don't have any more my teeth. Je ne faisais rien, moi. I didn't do anything, me. Je disais, I said, c'est un monsieur qui s'amuse. It's a gentleman who's having fun. J'étais honnête avec lui. I was honest with him. Je ne lui parlais pas. I did not talk to him. C'est à cet instant-là qu'il m'a mis de la neige. It is at that moment, and it's the la also at the end, so the set in front of the word and la at the end that mean that. It was at that instant, at that moment, that he put to me the snow. You see again that construction, to me the snow. Monsieur Javert, mon bon monsieur l'inspecteur. Mr. Javert, my good sir inspector. Est-ce qu'il n'y a personne là qui ait vu pour vous dire que c'est bien vrai? So, est-ce qu'il y a, isn't there, est-ce qu'il n'y a, isn't there anybody there who has seen what happened, to tell you that it is well true, hein? It's true what I'm saying. J'ai peut-être eu tort de me fâcher. I was maybe wrong to get angry. Vous savez, you know, dans le premier moment, in the first moment, one, and I think she's going to explain when you're surprised and you're totally seized by the situation, that's maybe the way you react. We read 2 pages. Let's wait and see if we get further. It's a difficult book. So if you have arrived here with me, you are just Wonderful. I hope you have a very, very nice Tuesday. And I absolutely hope to see you back next week. See you. Bye.